Hi students, I want to show you how to practice the Quizlet words. So you will find them here on the front page, and you would find them down here, Quizlet number 1, employment goals, or you can go up here to classwork, and you can go to week 3, and you can click Quizlet number 1, employment goals. Now it says here, let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, it says copy down these words and meanings in your notebook. Use the Quizlet to learn how to spell the words and match them with their meaning. So now you're going to click here, view material, and I'm going to click here. And so these are flashcards. Okay, wait, I'm going to click this. These are ads. You need to close the ads. Here's another ad. Do not try anything for free. Always close this, okay? So now you're going to scroll down here, and you can copy down the list. And there's a lot of ads on here, just ignore them. So you're going to see the definition, and you're going to see that it's a noun. So goal, something you hope to achieve in the future. Copy this down in your notebook. Keep going. You've got another word, plan. Look, this is an ad. Actions you will do to achieve something in the future. Close this, exit. Go down again. You've got another word, achieve. Copy that one down and the definition. You can also play this. Okay, so you can hear that, more ads. And then you can copy down this one, short term, it's an adjective. Long term, action, career, timeline, success, realistic goals, and set a date. Okay, and then once you're done copying those down, oh look, more ads. I want you to click on the card. So it says something you hope to achieve. Just click on the wait part. And then it says, oh, it's a goal. I can scroll down here a little, and I can click on this arrow to go ahead. And it says plan. So I can click here. Oh, actions you will do to achieve something in the future. Okay. And I can keep going like this. It says achieve. And then if you click on the wait part, it will tell you what the meaning is. So practice reading to finish something or get something you want by working hard. Okay, and you can scroll up and down like this. Go to the next one. Short term. Let me click. Oh, adjective, a week, a month, or a year. And I can keep going all the way through, flipping through, arrowing ahead. Here's the word action, and here's to do something. I keep arrowing through career and flip. Oh, it's a job you do for a long time. Keep arrowing. Timeline, and I click on the white part. Oh, plan for time. When will I achieve my goal? And I arrow ahead. Now it says sign up. No, 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 do not sign up here, okay? When you get to this page, what you need to do is you need to go back here and click on flashcards again. Okay, and just arrow until you get to click on the white part. Okay, now keep arrowing ahead until you get to the word that you last did. Okay, let's flip this over. We did career, noun, a plan, timeline. We didn't do that one. So now we're going to click, and I can see over here that I'm number 9 out of 11. Noun, you achieve what you want. Click success. Arrow, goals that you achieve. Okay, click realistic goals. And I can also click here and it will give you the sound. So play it again. Realistic goals. Okay, look, this is an X. This is an add, exit. And I'm going to go to the last one. April 5th, let's read what it says. Plan the date you will achieve your goal. Let's see. Set a date. Oh, look at that. It is April 15th. Lucky me. So I've made it through everything here. I can go back and I can practice some other games. We have different games here. Okay, so that's how you do the Quizlet.